Welcome, budget preppers and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we are tackling a crucial project, building a backyard survival garden for less than $50. This isn't just about saving money, it's about cultivating self-sufficiency and food security right in your own yard. A survival garden provides a reliable food source, offering peace of mind in uncertain times. It reduces your reliance on grocery stores and external food systems. Growing your own food ensures you have access to fresh, nutritious produce, regardless of economic or environmental challenges. Careful planning is key to staying under our $50 budget. First, assess your available space. Look for an area that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Proximity to a water source is also important for easy irrigation. Next, consider the size of your garden. Start small and manageable, perhaps a 4 by 8 foot raised bed or a similar ground plot. This size is perfect for beginners and keeps initial costs low. Remember, we are aiming for maximum yield with minimal expenditure. Choosing the right location is paramount for your garden's success. Observe your yard throughout the day to identify the sunniest spot. Avoid areas prone to waterlogging or heavy shade from trees or buildings. Once you've selected your site, it's time for preparation. Clear the area of any weeds, rocks, or debris. If you're starting a new bed on grass, you can use the lasagna gardening method by layering cardboard, leaves, and compost directly over the turf. This suppresses weeds and builds soil over time. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. You don't need to buy expensive bagged soil to get started. Look for free or low-cost alternatives to enrich your existing soil. Compost is gold for gardeners. Start a simple compost pile with kitchen scraps and yard waste. Many local municipalities offer free compost or wood chips. Incorporate fallen leaves, grass clippings, and aged manure if you can source it cheaply from local farms. These organic materials improve soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a survival garden on a budget. Focus on high-yield, nutrient-dense, and easy-to-grow crops. Heirloom seeds are an excellent choice because you can save seeds from your harvest for future plantings, making your garden self-sustaining. Prioritize staples like bush beans, peas, corn, squash, and potatoes. Leafy greens such as kale and spinach offer continuous harvests. Root vegetables like carrots and radishes are also great for storage. Look for seed packets at discount stores or buy in bulk from online retailers to save money. Aim to spend around $15 to $20 on a diverse selection of seeds. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and plant your chosen crops. For most survival garden vegetables, direct sowing seeds into the prepared soil is the most budget-friendly method. This avoids the cost of starter pots and potting mix. Follow the seed packet instructions for proper planting depth and spacing. Ensure adequate spacing between plants to allow for optimal growth and air circulation. Water your newly planted seeds gently to avoid dislodging them. Consider companion planting to naturally deter pests and improve growth. For example, marigolds can repel nematodes, and beans can fix nitrogen for corn. Maintaining your garden doesn't have to be expensive. Watering is vital, so consider simple rainwater harvesting. Place buckets or barrels under downspouts to collect free water. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth. Weeding is a continuous task. Manual weeding is free and effective. Apply a thick layer of mulch using free materials like straw, leaves, or wood chips. This suppresses weeds, conserves moisture, and enriches the soil as it breaks down. For pest control, try DIY solutions like neem oil spray or introduce beneficial insects. Knowing when and how to harvest your crops maximizes your yield. Harvest vegetables at their peak ripeness for the best flavor and nutritional value. Many plants, like leafy greens and bush beans, will produce more if harvested regularly. Seed saving is a cornerstone of a true survival garden. For heirloom varieties, allow some plants to go to seed. Collect and properly dry these seeds for next season's planting. This practice ensures your garden becomes a self-perpetuating food system, eliminating the need to buy new seeds each year. Let's quickly recap how we stayed under $50. Seeds were our primary expense, typically ranging from $15 to $20 for a good variety. Soil amendments came from free sources like compost, leaves, and grass clippings, costing $0 to $10 if you needed a bag of cheap manure. Tools were either existing, borrowed, or inexpensive hand tools, keeping costs minimal. Water was free rainwater, or from your existing hose. By leveraging free resources and smart choices, you've built a robust survival garden without a significant financial outlay. You've successfully learned how to build a backyard survival garden for under $50. This project is more than just gardening. It's about empowerment, resilience, and food independence. You've created a sustainable food source that will nourish you and your family for seasons to come.